If you're having trouble with the Shortcuts app not working on your iPhone, I totally get how frustrating that can be, especially when you depend on it to help automate your tasks. This issue often pops up due to software glitches and outdated iOS or some app settings that might need adjusting. Don't worry though, here are some easy steps to troubleshoot and get everything back on track. Solution 1. Restart the Shortcuts app. First, open the app switcher by swiping up from the bottom of your screen. Next, locate the Shortcuts app and swipe it up to close it. Then reopen the app and see if the issue is fixed. After that, go ahead and restart your iPhone. Solution 2. Offload the app. Now open the Settings app. Scroll down until you find General and tap on it. After that, select iPhone Storage. Look for the Shortcuts app in the list. Then, tap on Offload app. Tap Offload again to confirm. Finally, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Turn off restrictions. Open the Settings app again. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Next, scroll down to find Content and Privacy restrictions. Try turning off these restrictions to see if that helps. Solution 4. Re-enable Background App Refresh for Shortcuts. Head back to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General. After that, scroll down and select Background App Refresh. Make sure that Shortcuts is enabled for background activity. This allows the app to work properly even when it's not open in the foreground. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app once more. Scroll down and tap General. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then select Reset. Choose Reset all settings. Enter your passcode to confirm the reset. Don't worry, this won't delete your data, but it will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords and app preferences. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you still find that the problem isn't fixed, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support for more help. Good luck!